Somebody has sparked a fire out in one of the fields, and the wind's blowing today, and it's burning all over the place. Get some eyes on the flames in just a second. Somebody sparked a flame with one of the tractors, probably hitting a rock or something, and the wind kicked it up. And there's some solid flames blowing downwind right now. There they go, right in there. Field fire underway. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but those are pretty tall flames. 7-10 feet tall. There we go. It's going to blow right through this section probably in about 30 minutes or sooner. It's blowing pretty strong. It's so dry it should just blow right into this field.
Hopefully it'll stop here.
Yeah, well, it'll go to that island probably because it'll have embers.
Yeah.
Overall, the wind's going that way.
Hello?
Hey.
Hello? Hey, I was just talking to Lewis on the other line. Don't stand by. Was he telling me? I guess one of the clutches, the pumps went out. He went to Arcadia, and for what's the name, Victor, and told him that pump. I forgot which one. Oh, the pump that and the motor gun on block number 2, the one that fills up. Now, if he orders it and all this stuff, you know, be like $2,800 to get it fixed. But if he can get, remember there was one over there on the north pump that he took out and brought it down to LaBelle, to their main grove. He said if he can get parts from that one,
You know,
and it'll be really just nothing really, because he gets parts from there and fix it, or order it to get it fixed. You know, be $2,800. And I said, well, I got John in the other line right now. Let me.
yeah, go ahead and order the parts, but I think we got a bigger problem. It looks like the sod guys got a fire out of control. They hit a rock or something, and you may want to call Victor and see if it's under control, or maybe we should call the fire department.
Wait, let me call him, okay?
Okay, call me back. I'm right here on the one side, but it's maybe contained.
Okay, they are not calling me.
Yeah, they just started. They just started about 10-20 minutes ago. It's going out to Jeff's camp.
Oh my God, let me call. Okay.
Oh yeah, it is going. Jeff's camp's over there in those trees. Do you have any hose equipment out here?
No, I may not contain.
Well, you should call it in.
Well, I got to find out what's going on. I mean, the fire department has already been rigged. Fire code.
They have?
I don't know. I don't know. I got they're calling Victor and finding out the sod guys called him.
I'll just call the fire department and ask them.
Yeah, I can call the fire department. Just give me a second, okay?
Yeah, I got you.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's hard to tell on the one side with all the smoke, but you know, there's on the big side, on the other side, there's a lot of wind heading towards it. I guess I see he has the tractor out there.
Yeah, you're out there too?
Yeah, I'm just I was just checking the logins, you know.
Yeah, the other guys are helping too. So he says he thinks he has it.
What happened? The sod guys hit something, or?
Yeah, he said they were burning those pallets.
Oh no!
Crossed over to the other side.
On a windy day.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
It should. It actually, the good thing, pallets, they should throw them away because they leave so much nails behind, you know. Yeah, just tell me that.
He was coming back and fixing it.
Yeah.
He thinks they have everything.
I got that second. That pump on block 2 is running right now. Yeah, can you hear me? That pump is running actually in block 2. Yeah, can you hear me?
You're breaking up.
Oh,
Yeah, I can hear you now.
yeah, the pump is running and blocked too, but go ahead and order the part for it.
Get with us, okay?
Yeah, they go ahead and the pump is running. Victor's got it running.
We're downwind of the smoke now.
Yeah. Try to get around it.
Oh, we're gonna go to that gate down here beyond the lake.
Just you can see from the side.
Ah. Well, the whole lake is covered in smoke.
Yeah. It's got a yellow tip. Got
All the birds are gone. I don't blame them.
didn't need this today.
Yeah. Always an adventure every single day.
Why they send their yardstick pellets?
Should I open the gate?
Nah, I'm just see from the side.
Yeah. Because the fire's to the left of that fence over there on that field.
Yeah.
So if we want to get to them, we should go through that
Well, I
gate.
just want to make sure it's not on this side. Yeah. See how the smoke.
I'm just going to jump that fence. I guarantee you.
I don't know what they did on the backside. If they built fire lanes.
Can't help stupid. If it gets in here, we're cooked. You know that, right?
Yeah, I turn on fast.
'Cause that thing will spread like lightning. Could you put up Luna's window about halfway so she doesn't add to the problem by jumping out? Thank you. Okay, so the camp is good.
I can't tell. It's just too smoky.
It's blowing right to the camp, dude.
I know, but I mean, I'm gonna go out in the field, I guess. Can't see. It's not out here yet in the field.
Yeah. Love that air quality. Yummy. There. I'll get the gate for you.
Yeah.
There's not another one to the right, is there?
No.
Okay. I didn't think so, but somebody would have beat down a path to it already, right? What are you doing, Luna? Japer's in command here today. All right. That's not good. I guess this is what you call a hot mess.
I'm not sure what they're doing with the forklift.
Oh, you know, he's dragging the forklift forks to create a fire break. I bet you that's what he's doing so it doesn't go to your field, because it's traveling diagonally from that truck to our right. Yeah, he's got the forks down, so he's digging through the soil. That's a strong wind. It's about 15. Clean.
I got fucking work to do. Get on this shit.
Yeah. No, I can do to help.
We gotta talk to these guys, see if they're.
So it started with the burn barrel over there, and it kicked off and just went all the way down here. That's a good quarter of a mile that way, past that green tree. That one. There's somebody's down there with the forklift. I've been out here banging this down with a hoe just to stop the spread going into the wind. So I've cleared all of this to the other side of that tree over there to the left. Just with this bad boy right here. Just doing this kind of thing. Just banging it. I got one hand, I can't do it while I'm filming. But here's the problem. It's jumped. The berm around the field is about 7 or 8 feet tall. And we got trees crowning like that, and it's spread all the way over. So there's a huge. The only good news here is the exact path of this fire is going straight to a large lake, but it is tearing up. Why is it not focusing? Come on, what is up? Anyway, the problem here is this thing's blown over into those woods, right to Jeff's little camp. And, well, they're in a severe drought right now. So this is just going to blow up like a bunch of matchsticks. I just hope JP has my dogs in his car, and I hope he doesn't get stuck with my dogs in there. So we got a bulldozer coming up here, and we've got the sheriff's plane. Where is it? Right there. And the forklift guy is over there near to the right of that tree in the middle, kind of. And there's old Alan. He's the guy that started the fire. That's the dude. That'll help. Yeah, not so much. So that's what you use a forklift for, right there. I wasn't sure when he was coming back, so I went ahead and did pretty much that entire line by hand before he got here. Yeah, knock all that shit down, dude. I was knocking that down with my hands. It was ridiculous. Go, 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 Mo. So it's been about 30 minutes since I called it in to 911. We've had the police plane circling for the last 15 minutes. Sorry, sheriffs. But I don't see any sign of response. Actually, I misspoke. Guess whose bulldozer this is? Looks like a Forest Service logo on there. I think. I'll go find out. Yeah, so the Forest Service is here. Thank God. So the problem we're dealing with now is we cut a fire break with the forklift down the middle of this road that goes to the lake. But it's crossed the road and it's in these trees here going to the east. And this is the Forest Service, man. To the rescue. What's that side of the lake now?
Yeah.
Oh no.
I see the again. I don't know what to say there.
Vai derecho. Para avisarlo, va derecho.
Wow.
Go that way.
What's your name?
Yo sabes. Pero necesito poner los ojos al fuego.
Maybe no fucking fire the fucking.
No,
No, it's not. It's from here, man.
All right.
Fire the next.
Oh shit! Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
I see it over there.
Okay. Here we go. Yeah. La próxima. No va. Es más profundo.
Yeah. I see it like this.
Oh shit. No. That's northeast of the second lake towards the creek. You got trees crowning. Got a big fire in those trees right there. The dozer just went through there. Yeah. It's way up in the oaks.
Yeah, the airplane's calling all the shots.
Yep.
How'd you get here? You went down the road, or?
Yeah, that's fucking fire is coming.
Ah.
I went backwards. So they stopped it.
He cut through right there, by the way.
Yeah, so we gotta go back and place all that.